Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalistablog here. I hope you are well and good and all that stuff, and I'm hanging in there. If you're new here, welcome. I'm 47 years old. I love makeup. I have dryish, sensitive skin, and I love drugstore products, but I love high-end. I love it all. Yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get down to business. I'm gonna give you guys a glowing makeup over 40. I feel like I do this, I mean, don't I always, I've never done a matte makeup over 40. Maybe I need to do that. If you're interested, let me know in the comments. But basically, a lot of you are so sweet. You reach out to me and you're like, oh, hey, I saw you years ago with this video and have you done an update? And it's like, oh gosh, no, I haven't. So I've done hydrating makeup. I've done sensitive skin makeup focused videos. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna do a glowing makeup. I think I do it usually a couple times a year at least, maybe once. I don't know, I've done bronze, yeah, right? Okay, so we're gonna get the hair out of the way. I've already done skincare. I've got sunscreen on always, and I'm going to, there are a lot of glowing products. Don't let that scare you if you're someone who is like afraid of shimmer or anything shiny. Glow is your friend. We want the skin to look buoyant and fresh, radiant. We want it to look plump and moisturized. And so of course, all your skincare and everything before your makeup is very key for pulling off this look. So I'm going to begin with this Catrice 1 Minute Face Perfector. It is a one shade fits all situation. I like that it just has that velvety dimethicone texture. So I get kind of a, it just like maybe boosts coverage, gives my pores a little spackle. I'm going to do, I'm actually going to do a little bit of contour. Not much, just a little with my Kat Von D. This is the cream contour palette. I think when you apply cream products, you can kind of build and not, yeah, I mean, because we're going to do plenty of powder and cream, but I think putting down some cream contour before foundation is not a bad idea. I have the Jordana contour sticks as well. Wet n Wild, NYX, all of those are pretty good in my book. Just doing a little bit. Sometimes I don't even blend it and then I just do the foundation, and you guys have seen that and you kind of freak out and you're like, what are you doing? This is a Doll 10 brush. When you purchase makeup either from their website or the QVC website, I feel like a lot of times the sets will come with a brush, and that was either the case with, this is number 7. So I can't remember if I got this in a PR package with a set or if it's something from QVC in a set. The Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation is excellent. This is the shade Soft Beige. I'm going to, you can do it on the back of your hand. You can do it on your face with the little wand that comes with it. This is just a foundation stipple brush. This is Wayne Goss. You can use, there's Sigma, there's MAC, there's Wet n Wild. So I'm gonna just like dab this all over. I think when brushes like this one versus like a beauty blender, I don't know what it is. I don't know. I feel like it distributes the product with more, I got a hair, my hair. It's just, Okay, I don't know. I feel like when you're blending on top of cream products, using this type of brush has a way of like whisking on the foundation, right? I know that Wayne Goss and Scott Barnes kind of do this. I know that Charlotte Tilbury, she starts at the center of the face and she uses a brush. I think Danessa Myricks kind of does it too. So I feel like I try to emulate makeup artists I watch in their tutorials and hope that I look like their clients, right? The Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer, I just got this from the VIB Rouge, or you know what I mean, the Sephora sale, if you will. Another thing with concealer, I do have this concealer brush from Jouer. Just put it in an order and I popped it in my cart. I was like, I'm gonna try you out. I'm still kind of playing around with this concealer. I enjoy it. It's not like the heaviest coverage. It's got good coverage, but yeah, I'm still deciding, do I like it better with a brush? Do I like it better with a sponge? And so sometimes what I'll do is I'll just apply one side one way. But this concealer has, well, I mean, it is kind of luminous in the title, but it's not like terribly shiny. I find that there's some luminous concealers that are too luminous. Just gonna give it a little more, see if it builds, see if I can build it. Oh yeah, it's shade 4.75. I feel like the shades run light. There's a lot of shades, so you know, you can like this. She uses this Prism FX hydrating lotion as a primer. I'm actually going to use it on top of my foundation right now, just for fun, and I'm going to use the same foundation brush that I used. And I'm sort of building, I mean, I'm going to use highlighter probably, and I might even use another liquid highlighter, but there's something about this hydrating Prism lotion, whatever, that's kind of glorious, and she just does amazing. Oh God, I just love her. But I'm just gonna let it kind of sit here for a minute while I do my eyes. And I'm gonna do my eyes with a couple things. I'm going to use this Prismetal cream eye mousse from JCat Beauty, as well as I'm actually gonna do this first. This is just the Maybelline New York palette, and I'm just gonna take the shade Creator and go right here. Instead of doing kind of a elaborate eye look with a bunch of colors, I thought, well, let's kind of keep the idea of glow even on the lids. And then there's this shade called Heroine, and I'm going to use that also just right here because it's kind of a taupe. It's kind of just a taupe nude. This is a great palette. It was marked down for $8 at Target when I picked it up. It was funny because my Target, they just were about to remodel, so they had a lot of their aisles moved around the store from where they normally are. And then the virus came along and social distancing came along, so they had to kind of just leave everything where it was, and they halted construction. But where they line us, okay, that's too dark. That is shade Self-Starter. I'm gonna just kind of wipe it off my brush. Yeah, so where they line us up to social distance to wait for a register was right by the Maybelline, and I saw it and I went into my cart. It was just kind of funny. I was laughing because, you know, I'm trying to do like the right thing and not wander around the store and browse and shop. You know, you want to just kind of get in and out, and well, it just so happens that right there was the makeup. So, you know, what's a girl to do? This is Miraness powder. It's a BB powder, so it has a glow to it. Miraness, they're out of Australia. They're pretty great. They send me PR. Also, they're interesting, okay, you guys? They're such a cool company, right? They have products, so their products are kind of expensive, but they also will have specials where stuff is so cheap, or you get bundles, and I'm just going, okay, great. I love it. I just love it. I forgot to talk about this. I noticed this is not just like the Sephora powder like this, skin finish, which I thought is kind of like the Pat McGrath blurring powder, but this no filter NYX powder is kind of like those two. So I'm going to put that on ever so lightly with my Real Techniques. See, I said I was gonna powder, so I want to set everything, but I don't want to kill it, right? So this shade is Blinding Heat, and I just love how these are like liquid. Oh, look at that. Okay, so let's find a really good brush that's gonna do the job without messing everything up. And I say that because sometimes, yeah, sometimes I'm like, I'll use my finger, and then I'm like, oh wait, I'm getting it places I don't want to get it. So that's why a brush is good. And I have just like a flat synthetic brush. Oh, it's always better when you can dab a little bit with your finger, but my finger is so large. Here, I'll use my pinky. That sometimes I get it up on like my eyebrow. Okay, this is good. I've got a LA Girl Ultimate Lip called in Keep It Spicy. It's just, oh wait, it's just a nude. Gonna get. Somebody asked if I like Doll 10 lipsticks. One of you asked in comments of a previous video, and the answer is yes, I do. I don't always feature them, but they are amazing. I have this gloss here. This is in Girl Code. It's probably one of my favorite shades in terms of kind of a neutral. I just wanted to share that. But what I'm gonna put on today is this Peach Bellini e.l.f. Plumping Lip Gloss. Just in the center, where. And, ooh, I said I was gonna do my eyebrows. I think I'll do my eyebrows and my lashes off camera. I like my Winky Lux. So I'm gonna pop on Coastal Scents. If you guys don't know about Coastal Scents, I talk about them, oh, you know, frequently, I guess. I don't know, maybe not frequently enough on my channel, but they are just so much fun, very affordable. This little blush and bronzer palette is phenomenal, and I'm gonna use this coral shade. Just so pretty. And then there's other shades in this palette, even this center one right here. Oh, it's so much fun. I might put that actually a little higher up. Get a little bronze action going. Give myself a spritz with this Iconic London setting spray. And then I'm gonna go put my mascara on. Prep, Set, and Glow in the shade Original. Okay. I will be right back. Whoa, I got myself good. If you want to take this up a notch, let's do a little bit more highlight. And by that, I mean, yeah. Okay, where are we here? Okay, so the Juno and Company, this little palette, super cute. I got it off of Beautylish. It's a very soft, buttery palette. It's so cute and wonderful. And this shade broke, but I fixed it and then they refunded me. So that was very nice of them. It was not their fault. It just happens. I'm gonna use this Bombshell shade and we're gonna just bump that up for some highlight. Bump it up. You can highlight around your brow bone. Yeah, you can do. See that? You can go a little right here. There. Take it down. Okay. So glowing, not shiny, not glittery, just glowing. Maybe a little bit of glitter on the eyelids. That's okay, right? All right. So I'm a sucker for anything that has the word glowing, luminous, or blurring in the title on the product. I will list everything below. I hope you subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. And if you have any glow products that you absolutely love, let me know in the comments. And I think that's everything. So thanks guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.